Welcome to my channel, The Lunchbox. Today's recipe is chicken pesto roll-ups. This is a very easy recipe, uses very few ingredients, and serves as a great option for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started. To make the chicken pesto roll-ups, we're going to use a large boneless chicken breast. Now, normally a chicken breast is an inch to slightly over an inch in thickness, and we are going to slice this chicken breast lengthwise based on how thick it is. Normally, if it is slightly over an inch thick, I'm able to slice it into 4 pieces, but based on your skill and how thick the chicken breast is, you may be able to slice it into 3 or 4 pieces, and I'll show you how to slice it. I'm going to use 4 pieces of provolone cheese because I'm going to make 4 chicken roll-ups, 4 pieces of ham, 4 tablespoons of pesto sauce, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, some salt and pepper for seasoning, and some oil spray. The first step is to slice the chicken breast into really thin lengthwise slices. So you're going to use a very sharp knife, and based on how thick you can go and your skill level, we're going to start slicing the chicken breast along the length. That's the first thin slice. So now, based on how much more thickness of the chicken breast is remaining, you can make 2 or 3 more slices. Once we have our slices of chicken breast that are of even thickness, we're going to go ahead and lightly season it with salt, and pepper, spread it across. Then we're going to flip the pieces and we're going to season the other side too. Salt. Next, we're going to take a generous scoop of pesto sauce and spread it across the length of each chicken slice. A nice generous amount across each piece. Next, we're going to place a piece of ham across each of the slice of chicken breast, followed by a slice of provolone cheese on each of the slice. And now we're going to roll these up. Now, to prevent the roll-ups from opening up, we're going to place some toothpicks so they stay in place. Next, we're going to take our flour, all-purpose flour, on a flat plate, add some black pepper and some salt. Mix this well. This is going to be our coating for the roll-ups. Next, we are going to lightly roll up our chicken pesto rolls into this flour mixture. You don't need a lot of it, just lightly coat it. Do that for each piece. All of my 4 roll-ups are lightly coated in the flour mixture. Next, we are going to prepare the baking dish. To prepare it, we're just going to lightly spray the baking dish with the oil spray. This will prevent the chicken from sticking to it. Next, we will carefully lay our roll-ups into the baking dish, one at a time. It's okay for them to be kind of squished together because it will kind of keep them moist. Once our chicken roll-ups are in the baking dish, we're going to sprinkle this with lemon zest. And finally, give a light spray of the oil spray on top. Now we are going to go ahead and bake these chicken roll-ups in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. So for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and after that we're going to finish off by putting it on a high broil for about 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken roll-ups are in the oven. We will check back on it in about 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes. Our chicken is almost cooked. At this time, we're going to change the setting to broil at high for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes of broil time, your chicken pesto roll-ups are now ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.